In a forest bright and fair lived a hare who loved to dare. He laughed at Tortoise, slow and steady. "Race me now, when you're ready." The hare, so swift, with leaps so long, thought the race was just a song. Halfway through he felt so sure, he napped beneath a tree so pure. Meanwhile, Tortoise, slow but wise, moved ahead under sunny skies. Step by step, he took the lead, showing speed is not always what you need. When Hare awoke with a sudden start, he sprinted off with a racing heart. But alas, he was too late. Tortoise crossed the finish, sealing Hare's fate. So remember, kids, it's not about the speed. Steady and slow can win indeed. Persistence pays off, as you will see, just like the tortoise, wise and free.